You're going to love the 2010 BMW 328i. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has just over 80,000 miles. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 230 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. BMW prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, fully automatic headlights, rain-sensing wipers, remote keyless entry, and leather upholstery. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.